Guys, today we are going to level up our lighting. I'm taking a look at these cool light bars from INSSTRO. They're fully portable, they're RGB, and they're coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the X6 light bars from INSSTRO. Now this packaging looks rather unassuming, but what's inside definitely isn't. We all know how important it is to have decent lighting. Also, when you're out and about, big lighting solutions are not always viable, and sometimes you just want to have some mood lighting or some infill lighting. But you know what, whatever your lighting needs, having a full RGB portable light setup is going to be just the job. Now, before we get into it, INSSTRO sent me the X6 light bars to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, if you follow my channel, that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, this is actually a 2-pack. As with all good lighting practice, it's good to have more than one light, especially for people and product shots. But for the unboxing, we're just going to open up the one box. First off, guys, in the box we have a nice cloth carry bag. These are portable after all, so keeping them protected is a good thing. Next up, we have some instructions. Now, you're going to want to read these, as although these X6s are easy to use, there are a bunch of features to acquaint yourself with. We also have a handy cleaning cloth, and then we get back to that carry bag. Now, this is a 2-section bag, and in the first section, we have the X6 light bar itself. I'm just going to set that down for a minute. Open up the second section of the bag, and we have a bunch of accessories. We have a very handy tripod with a quarter mount, so we can stand the light bar up for vertical applications. And you also have a couple of Velcro straps, so you can fasten the X6 to other surfaces. You have a couple of metal sheets which are magnetic on one side and sticky on the other, so you have even more mounting options, as these X6s do have inbuilt magnets on each end, so that's pretty cool. And lastly guys, you get a USB-C charging cable to power the X6 up and to charge the internal battery, which is going to give you around 90 minutes of runtime. Now, taking a look at the light itself, guys, we have the LED display which shows you battery status and all of your light settings. You then have a wheel which controls on and off and all of the other light features, including brightness, warmth, color, hue and saturation. And you have that USB-C charge port. On the other side, guys, you have those quarter 20 fittings for the included tripod, hand strap, and of course any other light stand or tripod. Now, switching on is a 2-second push of the wheel. You will then see all of your RGB values. You can push and select either red, green or blue and adjust them as desired. Now guys, double clicking the wheel will toggle you through the scene mode where there are 10 scenes to select from, including a flashing red and blue, just in case you want to get through a traffic jam. Just kidding. Double click again and you're now in CCT mode. That's color correlated temperature, and that's where you can select warmth and intensity. You can set this anywhere between 2800 and 8500 Kelvin. And double clicking the wheel again will take you into HSI mode, which is hue, saturation, intensity, which is where if you have some specific color settings, you can set them here. The reality is you're probably not going to do that. For the most part, we're just going to select the colors that we want to use to make our scene nice. So guys, there you have it. The INSSTRO X6 light bars are fully featured, light and portable. They're definitely handy for all manner of lighting needs and can be used on their own or as part of a bigger lighting setup. With a 90-minute battery and a ton of different mounting options, these are going to be a permanent fixture in my studio. And guys, for a ridiculously cheap price at only £39 at the time of this video going live, they are an absolute steal. I'll leave any product links and discount codes in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to INSTRO for sending me these crazy good light bars. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.